If you're new to investing, there's no better guide than Warren Buffett, one of the most successful investors of all time. One of his core lessons is the power of patience. Buffett reminds us that investing is a long-term game, and trying to chase quick gains often leads to mistakes. He also emphasizes understanding what you own. Never invest in a company or stock you don't fully understand. Buffett's approach relies on value investing, which means buying solid companies at a fair price rather than overpaying for hype. Another key principle is avoiding unnecessary risk. He famously compares investing to a baseball game where you only swing at the pitches you know you can hit. He also teaches the importance of living below your means and letting your money work for you over time, harnessing the magic of compound interest. Finally, Buffett stresses the value of staying disciplined and avoiding emotional decisions. Markets will go up and down, but if you stick to good companies with strong fundamentals, time will usually reward you. Following these lessons won't make you rich overnight, but they create a foundation for steady, long-term wealth.